Start. हाँ, voice is clear. Yes. हाँ, let us start. Recording has started. Write down this. The lowest term. First question. The lowest term of the fraction. The lowest term of the fraction. 1 minute, my dear. The lowest term of the fraction 39 upon 65 is option A 5 by 3. I am writing that no 4 by 3, C 3 by 7, D 3 by 5. The lowest term of the fraction 39 upon 65 is the lowest term of the fraction 39 upon 65 is it is clear, my dear. Then second question, my dear, is option A is 5 by 3, B is 4 by 3, C is 3 by 7, D is 3 by 5. Good morning, good morning. Addition of C is 3 by 7. Addition of 58. Addition of D is 3 by 5. B is 4 by 3. Let me write big letters. Chalo. Addition of 58 and minus addition of 58 and minus 36. Addition of 58 and minus 36 is A minus 22, B plus 22, C 23, D 24. Okay. Then third one. The value of absolute value of 7 minus absolute value of minus 5 is A 1, B minus 1, C 2, D minus 2. Do it. Easy one. It is different. Okay. Then fourth. My dear, it is very much clear. Clear. You see your interpret, my dear. Minus 27 plus dash. My dear, it is given addition. What do you mean by addition? Tell me. Examination you are going to ask me. Then minus 27 plus dash question mark is equal to 23. Option A is 40, B is 4, C is 50, and D is minus 4. Then fifth one. Recording has started, no? Then fifth one. The equivalent fraction of minus 27 plus dash is equal to 23. Minus 27 plus dash is equal to 23. Find the values. The equivalent fraction of 3 upon 8 with denominator 56 is A is 11 upon 56, B 1 upon 56, 1 minute, C 21 upon 56, D 31 upon 56. What? Then sixth. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of? Which one of the following? Which one of the following? Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction? Is not an equivalent fraction of? Is not an equivalent fraction of? Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Which one of the following? Fifth, I have written C 21 by 56. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Options are A 10 by 14, B 15 by 14, C 20 by 28, D 30 by 40. Do it fast. Sixth question I had given. Yes, time I am giving you 5 minutes. I am giving you 5 minutes to solve all this. The lowest term of 13, and after that we will start discussion. Which question? Sixth. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Option A is 10 by 14, B is 15 by 14, C is 20 by 18, and D is 30 by 42. D is 30 by 42. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Okay. So now 2 more minutes I will. Fifth question. The equivalent fraction of 3 upon 8, 3 by 8 with denominator 56 is option A 11 by 56, 1 by 56, 21 by 56, 31 by 56. 3 by 8. Okay, it is 3 by 8. 3 upon 8 with denominator 56. Yes, 2 more minutes I will give. Then we'll start the fifth question. 1 minute. Sixth one. Which one of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 5 by 7? Option A 10 by 14, B 15 by 14, C 20 by 28, D 30 by 42. No. Very much clear, my dear. Chalo, let us. You see the network problem. No problem. You can rejoin. Let us see the discussion. The lowest term of the fraction 39 by 65. Yes, tell me the name first, then answer. Varun Patel, which is the option? 3 upon 5 means which option? D. Let us see. One log. Any other answer? Anybody? Anybody is 3 upon 5? Gauri Samant, what is your answer? D, 3 upon 5. Gauri Samant, chalo. Who else? 3 upon, Unnati Dubey, my dear. Unnati Dubey, what is your answer? D, 3 upon 5. Okay, let us, Ichha, what is your answer? D, 3 upon 5. Okay, so, okay, R of D. Yes. Okay, so, let me see. Okay. See here, my dear. Let us see. Let us discuss first, 39 upon 65. How we find the lowest term? To find the lowest term, we cancel the common factor of numerator and denominator. 39, 13 3s are. 65, 13 5s are. 13 get cancelled, that is 3 upon 5. So the lowest term is 3 by 5. So option D is correct answer. Now go for next, addition of 58 and minus 36. चलो ठीक है. No, you can do one thing. You can type in the chat box. I will see the answer. चलो. Varun Patel 22, Ichha 22, Unnati Dubey 22, Pavitra 22. Then second answer. Hers. Okay. Hers 22, letter Gauri Sawant 22. Okay, 24 is the wrong answer, my dear. 24 is the wrong answer. Why? 22. Addition 58. Addition means plus. Which number? Minus 36. So plus and minus are together. 58 minus 36. Yes. Now what is sign of 58 plus? What? See, in the answer you should write option and that number. You will write B22. Do not write 22. You write B22. Okay. 58 minus 22, plus and minus opposite sign you have to subtract. Answer is plus 22. So we log the answer plus 22. Okay. Now next, third one. The value of mod of 7 minus 5. Positive 2. What is the name? Hers. Okay. Wait. Pavitra 22. Are my dear. Wait, no. Why you are? Third one. 2. Okay. Let us see. No, let us see. Absolute value of 7 minus, absolute value of minus 5. Absolute value of 7 will be 7 minus absolute value of minus 5 will be plus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. The correct answer is 2. Okay. So let us log the answer C. 2. So do fourth one. 50. Okay. See here. Nobody will tell me the oral answer. You write down in the chat box. I am reading that chat box. Okay. Sixth B, Harsh Mistry 50. Then Ichha Chaudhary 50. Tanmay 50. Varun Patel 50. Rakshit Shetty 50. Ayush Chandan 50. Swara Mahadik 50. Unnati Dubey 50. Puram Salvi 50. Vamsi Ravaria 50. Let us log this answer 50. Majority are saying 50. Let us check. Let us check whether it is 50 or not. Minus 27 plus dash x is equal to 23. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Okay. So you don't have to tell me the answer. I will read the question. Do not write the answer. When I will start fifth answer, start writing. Then you will start writing. Do not write the answer of fifth. I am discussing fourth. So minus 27, I will take it on the right hand side. It will become plus 27. So x is equal to 23 plus 27. So they have same sign. Plus plus 7 plus 3 10 50. Correct answer is 50. So option C is correct. Now all of you start writing the answer of fifth. No, now you have to start writing because I can wait. Fifth answer. Chalo. Do not tell me orally. Harsh Mistry, Vivek Chauhan, Tanmay Shinde. Now write. No, when time will start. Gaurav Vyas, very good. Hina Chaudhary, very good. Then Swara, Pavitra, Vamsi, Panchal, Gauri Samant, Dharti, Vivek, Arya, Harsh, Unnati Dubey, Varun Patel, Ichha Chaudhary, Sia, Ichha Chaudhary. Do not tell me, write down. Rakshit Shetty, Arav Joshi, very good. Arav Joshi, 51 upon 56. Arav Joshi, you have written 51 upon 56. Okay. Then Shruti Nair C. Okay. Shruti Nair C. Diya Gathani. Very good. Let us check the answer 21 upon 56. Divyans, 21 upon 56 is the answer or not? So 3 upon 8. You want denominator of this fraction as 56. That means denominator I have multiplied by 7. So numerator you will multiply by 7. So that is 21 upon 56. So 21 upon 56 is the correct answer. Now all of you start writing the answer for question number 6. Time start now. Okay, time start now. Option, write down option. Write down the option. Do not write the answer. B, Tanmay B, Gaurav B, Vamsi B, Swara B, Ichha B, Jay Panchal B, Anushree B, Pavitra B, Hina B, Pavitra, Divya Gandhi B, Divyans B. Chalo, write down the answer. Any other? Harsh Mistry, Tanmay Shinde, Gauri Sawan B. Let us see. So majority are selling B. It is not an equivalent fraction. So B, majority are selling B. Let us check the answer whether it is B or not. Okay. So let us check the answer whether which one of the following is not equivalent fraction of 5 upon 7. Okay. So let us see 10 upon 14. When you cancel the common factor, 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. This becomes 5 upon 7. So this is equivalent. What about next? 15 upon 14. Then let me see 20 upon 28. 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28. So 20 upon 28. It is equivalent. 30 upon 42. 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 7 6 are 42. 6 is get cancelled, 5 upon 7. So this is equivalent, this is equivalent, this is equivalent, so this is not equivalent. Because it is given 15 upon 14. So it is given 15 upon 14. It should be 15 upon 21. Yes or no? It should be 15 upon 21, not 14. Okay? So B option is correct. Because in the question it is not an equivalent. The question it is given not an equivalent. So you have to find the lowest term of each fraction, and if the lowest terms are not same, the fractions are not an equivalent.
No.
Yes. Okay, the fractions are not an equivalent. Yes. Now write down. What must be added? Seventh one. What must be added? What must be added to minus 122 to get minus 38? What must be added? Okay. What must be added to minus 122 to get minus 38? A is minus 84, B is 84, C is 85, and D is minus 85. No, 130, minus 38. 122 and minus 30, minus 122 and minus 30. So reading of question is equally important. The product of the place value of digit 5, the product of the place value of digit 5 and the place value and the phase value of digit 3 in the number 37516 is dash A 150, B 30500, C 1500, and D, C is 1500, D is 15. C is 1500, D is 15. Let me write two more problems, then we will discuss the solution. Okay. Let us write two more problems, then we will discuss the solution. Option D is 15. So when I will start writing the answer, then only you will write the answer. Okay. I will read your name there with the option. You have to write down the option. Do not write the answer. Yes. Then 37516. 37516, my dear. Then ninth one, if A is 7 and B is 9, then the value of A plus minus B is dash A to D is 15, minus 2, C 3, and D 60. Then 10th question. A option is 2, B option is minus 2, C is 3, D is 16. Okay. Which one? A is equal to 7, B is equal to 9, plus 9, plus 7 and plus 9. Then the value of A plus minus B is, okay, then the lowest term of the fraction, okay, 70 upon 112 is option A 8 by 5, B 5 by 8, C 7 by 8, D 5 by 9. Which one? Which one? Ninth, C is 3, D is 16. Okay. So 5 minutes I am giving to solve these 4 problems, and then when I will start sending the answer of no, this is 9-1, no? This is 9th problem. No. I have given plus 9, my dear. I have given value of B as 9. Do not take B as minus 9. I can give any value. Okay. Yes, whatever is given. No, wait. Check the calculation. Which question? Last one. The lowest term of the fraction 70 upon 112 is 8 by 5, 5 by 8, 7 by 8, 5 by 9. Okay, B option is 30500. 30500. Okay. C is 1500, D is 15. Mute the microphone. You can do the calculation in the mind. Chalo, 2 more minutes I will give. After 2 minutes, I will ask you to send the answer of 7. So when don't send me right now. When I will start, chalo. 7th one. What must be added to minus 122 to get 38? Start sending me the answer. Chalo. 7th option you have to send. 7th option. B, Vamsi B, Arav B, Gauri Sawan B, Harsh B, Panchal B, Ichha B, Pavitra B, Unnati Dubey B, Ayush Chandan B, Shruti Nair B, Divyansh B, Tanmay B, Dharti B, Ayush Chandan B. Okay. So majority are telling B answer. So let us log this answer B and check. So what must be added to minus 122? What must be added to minus 122 to get minus 38? So we say let x be added to minus 122. Minus 122, we add x, we get minus 38. We get minus 38. Okay, so minus 122 will go on the right hand side, it will become plus. So x is minus 33, minus 38 plus 122. This is having minus sign, this is having plus sign. Minus and plus opposite sign you have to subtract. 120 minus 38 is 84. Which number is bigger? 122. What is sign of that? Plus. So answer is plus 84. B option is correct. Now start sending me the answer of 8th. The product of the place value of digit 5 and the face value of digit 3 in the number 37516 is. Start sending. C option, Pavitra C, Unnati Dubey C, Harsh C, Harsh Mistry C. Yes, start sending the answer. Send me the answer. Gauri Sawan C, Tanmay C, Vamsi C. Send me the answer. No, I'm reading the answer, my dear. I'm reading the answer. No. 1 minute. Now screen is there. Then Varun Patel C, Bhavesh Bhagal C. Yes. So majority are majority are telling C. Majority are telling C 1500. Let us check. Let us check whether this 1500 is the correct answer. Okay, so I think all of you have got the answer C only. So whoever name I have not pronounced, I consider that their answer is also C. Okay. Now let us see 37516. 37516. Product means multiplication. Bhavesh C. Okay. Chalo. The place value of digit 5. Digit 5 is 500. And the face value of digit 3. The face value of any digit remains same. So 3 will remain 3 only. So product 500 into 3. Product means multiplication, that is 1500. So the correct answer is C. Option C. Very good. Go for next, 9th one. Start sending me the answer of 9th one. 9th one. Start sending me the answer of 9th one. D answer is wrong. My dear, D answer is wrong. D answer is wrong. It is plus. It is, my dear, it is 1. F. A is wrong answer. Wait. A majority are getting A. B is the wrong answer. C is the wrong answer. B is wrong answer. C is wrong answer. A. Majority are telling A. Majority are telling A. Let us check it. No harm. Majority are telling A. Let us check. A plus minus B. What is the value of A? 7. Plus minus B. B is 9. My dear, it is not minus 9. 9. B is 9. If it is minus 9, then minus become plus. But B is given 9. Plus 9. So plus into minus. 7 minus 9. Now what is sign of 7? 7 is positive. 9 is negative. Opposite sign. You have to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Which minus 2 is the answer. So A is the wrong log. Okay. What is the answer? Minus 2. So B. Yes. B. Yashbir B. Arya B. Harsh B. Jia B. Pavitra B. Hina B. Varun B. Unnati B. Ayush B. Ichha B. Arav B. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Minus 2. Okay. So examination, you see whether it is plus 7 and plus 9. If it is minus 9, the answer will be plus 16. The answer will be plus 16. If it is minus 9, but it is plus 9, so answer will be minus 2. Yes. Now start sending me the answer of 10th. Start sending me the answer of 10th. Start sending me the answer of 10th. 1 minute I am giving. B option. Darsh More B. Yes. Unnati Gauri, Harsh, Pavitra, Amsi, Yashvir, Swara B. Okay, so majority are telling B answer. Majority are telling B answer. So let us check whether B is the answer or not. 70 upon 112. Okay, 70 I can write 14 5s are 70. 112, 14 8s are 112. 14 get cancelled. The answer is 5 by 8. The answer is 5 by 8. Okay. So Veer Kantaria B option. Very good. So So all of you gave the correct answer. B answer is 5. Gauri Sawant B. Chalo. Ansh Yadav B. Hina Chaudhary B. Okay. So Vamsi B. So 5 by 8 C wala is B. So now we stop here. Next time we will see if you. Yes. Next time we will see few more revision. Okay.